What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can find Bitcoin address or Bitcoin wallet address on your Binance. Now, the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on wallet and then you want to click on fiat and spot. To get the Bitcoin wallet address, you need to scroll down. After you click on fiat and spot, you need to scroll down and you want to find here Bitcoin, search for it. If you can't find it here, you want to click on search coin and you need to search for Bitcoin. And then you want to click in next to Bitcoin, you want to click on deposit. Okay, in the action section, click on deposit. You want to click on network, select network. You want to select BNB Smart Chain or Bitcoin, and then this is your wallet address. But before you go, you want to make sure you send the person that is going to send you Bitcoin, make sure you tell them that the network is BNB Smart Chain, because if they select another network, your Bitcoin will be lost. Okay, so hopefully